Today on The Brief, now that the Consumer Electronics Show has wound down in Las Vegas, analysts everywhere are left to wonder, why should I care? CES is, at its core, a consumer show, so it would be easy for enterprise IT types to just ignore it. After all, what does a giant screen 8K TV, a robot that fetches toilet paper, and a trash can that ties up the bag when it's full have to do with IT? We get it. The silly stuff at CES, and there's a lot of it, is always distracting. But dig a little deeper and there's a corporate narrative, and we do well to pay attention to it. Many of the foundational technologies that drive both consumer and enterprise tech were on evidence in Las Vegas this year. For example, with enterprises in all sectors taking major steps to integrate next-gen wireless into their network and device roadmaps, 2020 is shaping up to be a transformational year for 5G. Artificial intelligence? Same story. Analytics and cloud roadmaps also became more focused at CES, and we'd be wise to keep an eye on what was being announced and who was doing the announcing. Because as traditional divisions between consumer and corporate technology continue to break down, what happens in Vegas doesn't stay in Vegas. A lot of the tech at this year's show will eventually find its way into your office, like those high-def screens for the conference room, the AR glasses on the production floor, and the routers in your data center. Even chip makers Intel and AMD reserve part of their keynotes to talk about their plans for the data center. So whatever the tech is, we can no longer afford to pretend that the consumer and the enterprise spaces are completely distinct. They aren't. And with each passing year, CES illustrates this convergence even more strongly. If you're still wrestling with the impact of consumerization, download our blueprint called Build an End-User Computing Strategy. Or better yet, give us a call and we'll help you figure out which 2020 trends you need to focus on. That's food for thought.